All right, here we go. This is what we got. This is just after lunch here. We got our cove that we were working on right here. Got our steps right here coming into the pond. And everything's stacked in. Hey everybody, Christopher Yaks here, Aquascapes of Michiana. Get ready to love your backyard. Hey, we are here in beautiful Jupiter, Florida. A lot better than northern Indiana right now. Even though it's warmed up a little bit, we're in the mid 30s, 40s, which is a lot better than the negative 50s that we had last week. I mean, it's so much better. The towns were closing down, everything, but me and my wife, we made it here. We're here for the Kamp Kenan build. Mr. Kenan is a tortoise and reptile expert, and we're putting in a recreational pond for him for all of his turtles, tortoises, reptiles, you name it, it's going in there. Hey everybody, thanks for watching our vlog here on Aquascapes of Michiana. If you like that, please subscribe and hit that little bell down there at the bottom so you guys get notifications on our next one, alright? See you guys later, have a good one.